Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer Activ. Top of the line trim, just above the RS. Absolutely awesome. Your spare tire, put that there. Oh, come on. There we go. I love the two-tone paint. It is an option. I think you can get this in white or black, or body color. $32,350, which is a bargain for what you're getting, in all honesty. Little nice Activ badge there. Good amount of rear seat room, honestly. Here's something rattling in the door. I'm like, I think it's just the prep. Some of the plastic is still on there. Nice passenger seat area. Not bad at all. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Go ahead, I put it in sport mode. Go straight back. Yeah, I've been driving it in sport mode. 1.3 liter turbocharged, 3-cylinder. Bose stereo system sounds phenomenal. Do have a nice knee airbag there as well. All honesty, I absolutely love these, especially the RS and the Activ. This is my first time driving the Activ on the road. Of course, I've driven it around the lot a couple times, and it really is an excellent, excellent compact SUV. do this pull from a dig with sport mode off. Auto start stop, of course. Not bad at all. Oh yeah, sport mode definitely tightens steering response. Overall, though, 2021 Trailblazer, it's an awesome SUV. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.